A solar eclipse is coming soon, but you can't watch a solar eclipse wearing sunglasses like these. You need a special viewer, a lot like this one, to help you safely see the solar eclipse. How do you make the solar eclipse viewer? Let me show you how. Stand with your back facing the sun. Next, look through the hole that you cut out. While you are looking through this hole, the light is going to shine through that tiny little pinprick that you made. When the solar eclipse is actually happening, you are going to see a shadow of light pass in front of that light spot inside of your box. That is the moon passing in between the earth and the sun that is causing that shadow. Watching a solar eclipse is such an amazing event. But no matter what you do, just make sure that you are viewing it safely with an invention like this one or a different type of creation.